Hello Ta! I'm sending you my very best birthday wish today. May your special day bring you nothing but happiness and joy, just the way you deserve it. We are thankful for you and the other people who knows you. And I hope you get whatever you wish for. Gusto lang naming magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng role na ibinigay mo sa aming buhay. Again, happy healthy birthday and many more birthdays to come. We are very lucky to have you. We love you, Ta. Happy birthday, Ta! May mga gusto rin palang bumati sa'yo ngayon.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang sana good health palagi and mag-iingat ka dyan. Love you, Ma. Mahal na mahal kita. Thank you sa lahat. And see you soon.
Lola! Happy Lola! Happy birthday, Lola Pista!
We love you!
We love you!
Mwah!
Happy birthday! Sana marami ka pang na birthday. Wala nga, naiyak lang ako eh. Saan ka na? Saan si Krista? Hindi ko mo nakikita.
Hello, Teng. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo. Yang sakit, labanan natin yan. Kayang-kaya. Dito lang kami para sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Crystal. Good health, long, peaceful, and joyful life. Our birthday prayers for you. Keep safe and be healthy, anak. We love you. God bless.
Ninang Crystal, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Tandaan mo, may buknoy na nagmamahal sa'yo. At mag-ingat ka lagi. Always be careful of my heart.
Barbie! Happy birthday, Marce! Mwah! Anak kalab, ahebak. Malo, Marce. Marce, I miss you.
Hello po, Tita Crystal. Happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo malusog na pangangatawan at lagi po kayo mag-iingat, lalo na po sa trabaho nyo. God bless you po.
Hi, Tita Crystal. Happy birthday po. Wish ko po sana lagi kayo nasa maayos na kalagayan. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Sana hindi po kayo magkakasakit. Bye-bye, Tita!
Hi po, Tita Crystal. Happy birthday po. Palagi po kayo mag-iingat dyan at alagaan niyo po palagi sarili niyo. Nandito lang po kami buong Fortis Family, Tita. Nagmamahalan sa mga sumasagot. Love you, Tita. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Tita. Wishing you all the best. Ingat po palagi dyan. And God bless to you and our family always.
Happy birthday, friendship. Wish ko lagi kang malusog. Ito, matataba na tayong dalawa ngayon. Happy birthday ulit and God bless.
Happy birthday, my friend! Crystal, happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lagi ka nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ingat ka palagi. God bless sa'yo, pati sa family mo. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Marce. Happy birthday. Crystal, I miss you. Ingat ka palagi dyan. And God bless. And Marcy, sana makapagbasyo na tayo para makapag-banding na tayo. I love you.
Birthday po, Tita Crystal!
Happy birthday, Tita Crystal! Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Birthday, Tita! Ingat ka palagi! Love you!
Hello po, Tita. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless po. Love you, Mama. Hello ka muna kay Tita. Kiss mo muna si Tita. Wow. Bye-bye.
Hello, Crystal. Happy birthday. Good health and God bless.
Hello, Tal. Gusto ka na riyan. Happy birthday ha. Ingat lagi. Get well soon. God bless you. Okay.
Happy birthday! God bless you! God bless!
Ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola Crystal. We love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday,
Ingat ka dyan at sana maging okay na yung kalusugan.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Tita Crystal. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Crystal. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lola Crystal! I love you!
Stay safe. Bye-bye. Bye. Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you. Thank you, Ta, for being you. Alam ko na bibigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng malakas na pangangatawan at maraming biyayang darating pa. Kasi deserve mo lahat yan. Iingat ka palagi dyan, Ta. I love you. We love you. Sana nag-iwan kami ng ngiti sa'yo. Enjoy your special day and everyday.